So now that we have our initial domain set up, so as you can see here, we just have we have two domains set up, but one that we've actually set up with 3 different emails, right? And this one is just a temporary one. Obviously, you're going to want to add as many different domains, and I'll be adding them throughout. And we'll get to 10 different domains with 3 emails per domain, so 30 emails in total. But this video, I'm going to talk about instantly. So I've created a test or trial account. And what we're going to want to do, and what I'm going to show you, is how to actually connect your email accounts on instantly. So the way that we do this is obviously just sign up to instantly. I'll give you all the login details from here. We click add new, and we're going to go on to Google because we've got a Google, and we want to, so you see here how it says yes, IMAP has been enabled. So it hasn't been enabled just yet. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to the account. So you want to go over to the admin account to start off with. And then you're going to click on the gear icon, which is the settings. So here, and you're going to click on see all settings. And you're going to go on to forwarding and pop/IMAP. And then you're going to click on enable IMAP. And then you're going to save changes. That's all you're going to do. Now you're going to do that with every email that you have and that you want to connect to instantly. So I will now do that with the second email that I have. And this is just setting up the Google side of things and reload it. Perfect. And again, you click over here, see all settings, and you're going to go over to forwarding and enable IMAP, and you're going to save changes. And then you're going to do that one more time. So you're going to add another account, and this would be the mark.d at no, sorry, Amazon.com. That's it. Cool. And then you're going to sign in again. Again, you're going to do this with every single email that you have that you want to connect to instantly. So you have to do this enable IMAP thing. Again, it takes 2 seconds. Literally click on the gear icon. It just needs to reload and give it a second. So click on the gear icon. Once it reloads and works. Okay, for some reason this isn't working particularly well for today, but anyways, I'm going to show you regardless a different way of doing it. So once we have connected the IMAP for each of the emails that is connected or that we want to connect to email, we just click yes, I have enabled IMAP. Then we need to select on option number 1, which is 0 auth. So we click on that. And the way that we do this is we go to our Google Workspace admin panel. So this would be for the main admin email for this domain, which is Amazon-experts.com. And what we're going to do, so this should take you to here. So we're going to click and follow the instructions here, which says click add app and then select 0 auth. So we're going to click that, select 0 auth, and then we are going to copy this and paste this, and we go search. And we're going to click on that and select, and then select it. And yep, that's fine. Continue, click trusted, continue, and then we click finish. Perfect. So once that's done, then we go on to login. So again, for this only happens at the domain level. So once you've done it once for your emails under that particular domain, then all you need to do is just log in with the individual emails. So you just click login, and again, we would just start and go through all of them. So we would just log in, and we would click allow. Sometimes there can be a little bit of a lag here with instantly when it does this, but that is quite literally it. And then we would go on to add new again, and we go yes, IMAP is enabled, and then we don't need to do this again if it's the same domain. If it's a different domain, we'll need to connect that domain and do the 0 auth thing again. Click login, and we click on the second one, and we click allow. And once that's done, again, it will be connected, right? And then you do that again for the third one. The third one hasn't had IMAP enabled, so I need to set that up. There's just not sure what's happening with that, but that's pretty much it. And then you would just click on email warm-up, and then you would click on that. So that enables the warm-up. That means that the way that the warm-up is going to happen, and it says it here, it should say it here. So there will be I wouldn't mess with any of the settings in terms of the warm-up. I'll actually do a separate video on the warm-up itself, but that is how you connect your email accounts to instantly. It's very simple. You just quite literally click on add new, you connect it, and then you follow the instructions, and Once it is connected, all you need to do is just make sure that you are warming up the accounts, and then I'll show you some more details in the next video in terms of custom tracking, as well as also domain forwarding as well. So I'll show you that in the next video.